Khale voice na a topic ding to how I got into a cruise line. Masatakin cruise line fena dingin at least minimum of a year in either a 5-star restaurant or a 5-star hotel hingaya ni mo. He experience based na a bikin Mumbai hin a consultancy office hitama kalay kan application impact hini. First, maybe HRIET International, Kamaksi, Tihai Airborne, Tihai recruitment to Zulai Shithai na cruise line fena dingin mo. Hinghaya in Thawk apply na minimum experience maybe 6 months to 1 year in a 5-star restaurant or a 5-star hotel. Kay and le IHM Mumbai 3 years degree course kaloto chuzawachun hakazo charkhan Gurgawa Pullman Hotel 6 months ka pre-opening team in Kalautoka ana chu chef ka option na chef kan gat manje te chu cold kitchen kan Kalautoka 6 months ka chun Chennai cafe suka Dalila Palace Chennai kumkhat gat manje abok second komi in Kavathok noka chun kumkhat zawa chun ITC Grand Shola kan shifta tlakhat kathok lai khan kan chef Pullman kathok hai pakhat kathok pui hai pakhat khan he suggests me to go to Abu Dhabi and I say I have a passport and I'm able to go and his name is Chef Jitin and he led me to go to Abu Dhabi and from there I went to Abu Dhabi and I stayed there for almost 2 years. 2 years wang Abu Dhabi akan beach rotana kalau thokno kani July chun I still have my position as a chef chun Bahrain kan first komi kana Abu Dhabi akan and then I applied to in Bahrain because one of my colleague Chef Bala was in Bahrain and he helped me in getting another job called in a position of CDP in Bahrain. But then after 2 months, at least minimum 2 months, I have to give a resignation before I actually goes to Bahrain because I have not completed 2 years in Abu Dhabi. July Zington, I gave my resignation already and I was in the process of going to Bahrain. One of my colleagues, known Rajesh, he's like, okay, even I am going to resign because I got a cruise ship job. And I was just asking him, can you give me also the email address so that I can apply, and he gave me an email address of the HRIET International in Dubai, and I sent a mail to them, and it get I get responded after 2 days of me sending a mail, and then I went for the first interview. It was a brief introduction interview with the HRIET International, and it's 101, and I got through the first interview, and then they give me another appointment to go in another 2 weeks, and it was through Skype interview to go for another further with on-board team. And then I went there and I got an interview done, and after a week and they gave me an LOE saying that I got selected and all the process. I wanted Actually, I wanted to do all the process in India, but then at the HRIET International in Dubai, they say that they can process it here very quickly. And I start the process of getting medical visas and all the courses, like the safety courses that I wanted, that is necessary for joining the cruise ship, like the CDC compliances, the security, and STCW. That is a required certificates that you need if you want to come to the cruise ship. So Zoltan, within like 1.5 months, everything was finished. So I joined 2014 in Celebrity Millennium from Dubai. Celebrity Millennium as a chef, as a second cook. That's a red scarf. And then I was held in aqua spa, and overall I was like still in a pantry. And after 6 months, I applied for the first cook. That is a green scarf, and I got it. And then I started getting a hot galley as a chef. And the next contract 2015 akan, pre-opening akan, green scarf kalana, blue scarf dinginan mitia na chu a stressful laikhan. I was sorting for another job opportunity on board. On board at least 6 months, minimum 6 months, income warning the opportunity lock damay munotin to we can apply for the further promotion, and they have a lot of lists of the promotion or the vacancy that we can apply. So I was trying several of them. Future cruise, tidam soar excursion, guest relation, butler, tidam kakalong rilakan loma anachu. Somehow I got interested in a bar because chikte kalaushi lekhan bar server kan cross training katrana 2015 klatop tingakan I became a bar server. And then and until 2016 I was a bar server, and 2017 I took a little break because I had my baby. My baby name is Alex, by the way. He's 8 years old now. Chun vacation cafe chun kahungno ka anlekan. After 2 months akan sommelier akan ka apply. There is a course that we have to take if you want to do a sommelier, WSET level 1, 2, 3 uma. Tulay 2 unstrict dewa WSET level 2 no 2 recruitment and pick tanani. Chun interview history MM to kazawakan 2018 kan sommelier kalonia to chanhin sommelier kalania. Till dang chuka apply mo. I applied for several tin lang a cellar master anole, beverage trainer anole, assistant dam ka apply to sommelier ka kalantnik lekhan income kalak no and I'm still enjoying my sommelier life, and until now currently I'm still a sommelier. And in hoy kalati amo income future chun if I would go forward L&D kanuma hilay on board him promotion him mo anhoya connection dam a nairon chun chu promotion ka anhoya ni mo chun a sinthona a nika a titak pot chun minan sheet che an lekhan a promotion kom khan hoya ni chun no hom khan hi restaurant avail any mi hi ka ho je wana chu tambek no mizo ha hin tam dewa opportunity hitam eme mana chu India ra makhan at least minimum years of 1 year experience hung thon la. If you have any doubt, do reach me out here. I will try to guide you through all the recruitment and what are the compulsory certificates that you need if you want to come to join the cruise ship. Hi ka kalau shielding chewa chun tu chen hin familiar hin hoi katia familiar ai ti chun wine specialist ti na wine ke hi level 2 kana wine specialist tasting hairam katholaka ke ni hi gratitude driven salaried kanile khan kan sel zat kha kan lo ana chulai chun each and every sommelier has different salary structure hai chu hilai hin la hong shul nong kata. There are a few departments that you could try on board. Experience ay nay beg no komen pasal at bikin pasal hai tadingin dishwashing ay thokhan in hong transin chu halaya in thokhan slowly you can grow up your career mo atam lem hilaya kan boss hai ti alai ti kan heu to hai khom hi abula in thokhan ai zo clearan lekhan tu khom management hong lut ngal hinum ngai no at least dishwashing madam assistant snack attendant ti da ma hong lut wang khan na any khom opportunity he nei tha ema ana chu a beng war do he ngai ni tu khom hin unforced no cha nang le nang in you itself is the one who will motivate yourself and try to explore around and try to ask a question if you have any doubt. Tu lai lem to mi tam deu mo cruise ship hin ayum ta Instagram Facebook haidam ke kerno khom midang komantama and reach out. You can always reach them out. They will never say no in helping the community to grow and earn their money and plus exploring the world. You know, khavel shang mu khan hoy an hoya kan off time hin khavel hi a fang thaya mo num chun khavel ai phang thai num chun ai in charger thai. But for me my goal is to go out and explore the world and experience the culture and all the other things that they could offer in that country. Chunilekhan, most of the time I would go out during my off period. Thok na samo at least minimum of 10 hours hikan hours na ana to straight hours here umbek no it's always a split shift most of the time. Morning kan thole, lunch break kan na ya chun dinner mo khang kan si de yan le 3 shift kan thola kan si de ya chun tu khaman sung no le khan kan busy de wa chun especially if I do the wine tasting, I'll be having like 2-3 wine tasting together in a sea day, so it would be a very busy schedule for me. But we can recover it back in a port day. If you want to go out, you go out. If not, if you feel so tired in your body, you can always sleep in. Chulachun opportunity hitama ong thang faninta you can just go and sort out your career path in cities like Mumbai hi atlang puya unfair na ta kanilay khan recruitment hi unfair na ta Mumbai, Chennai, Kerala hinghai hi recruitment agency tam na ta kanilay khan khalaya in thok khan progressive career hin nei thaya chulai chun income in zak na dinga no mo sap trong a team no avai trong a team no comment we can always have a room to learn everything. So don't be shy if you want to know more about anything else that that would help you to go in a cruise ship. I would be more than welcome to answer your question. So you can just even DM me in my Instagram or even here. This is my brother-in-law YouTube. Darangon archives ka brother-in-law tana kay hin YouTube kanaya chu ka activate no lai khan I got showcase through my brother-in-law. He low support la, low subscribe bokin la, cruise thoknom hai chun hilai hin anhoya hin comment hong pe on la ke hin. I will try to answer as much as I can. But you have to try. Sin tho pe lo hai tading to an thak no cruise ship himo mi teima mi fel hai tading ana chun mi tumru hai tading ani bok chun we are dealing with a lot of different communities and countries and nationalities, so you have to blend well with everybody. Ani ana chu an hoina pakhat chu ramdang dang hi mo thaya mo it for a people like us. It's very good opportunity to go and explore the world. Kalome